So I start by just adding some canola spray to the pan instead of butter. So for this recipe, I'm actually going to be adding less egg yolks because egg yolks have a lot of cholesterol in them. So I'm making this recipe a little bit healthier. We're going to use 5 eggs, but only 3 yolks. Right here, I chopped up some red bell pepper, and I'm just heating it up a little bit in the pan, and then I'll also add the eggs. So you could always feel free to also add anything else you want to your eggs, such as some chopped onion, but today we're just going to do the red bell pepper. It's a very good addition to the eggs, and it's also very healthy. So next, I'm going to be adding in just a little bit of milk to our eggs. So I'm just going to add a splash of some fat-free milk. I like to poke the egg yolks to get them nice and runny, and then I start to mix it with my fork. Now you can always also add some water or even just reduced fat milk. Whole milk would be your unhealthiest option to add to your eggs. So that's why I didn't choose to add that today. And then once it looks pretty mixed, you can go ahead and add it to your pan. As you can see, the egg is starting to solidify a little bit as it cooks, and we will continue until it is all cooked scrambled eggs. What I like to do is add just a little bit of garlic salt to my eggs, and then I'm also going to add some pepper when it's all finished.